So on coming on next part, when we take pH calculation of weak acids or weak base, first we take pH calculation of weak acids. If I write solution, most common example taken CH3COOH. We take aqueous solution, it dissociate to give acetate ions plus hydrogen plus ions. Both are aqueous. So when this is dissolved in solution, if we write concentration can be taken C and x moles dissociate per liter, we can write x moles per liter. Or if we write in terms of alpha, we write second, the more common way of writing, if C was the initial concentration of this weak acid and alpha is degree of dissociation, तो कितना आएगा concentration of acetate ions C alpha and H ions same C alpha. And then for this reaction at equilibrium, we find the Ka expression. This Ka will come how much? Concentration of acetate ions into hydrogen plus ions divided by concentration of CH3COOH. This Ka will be called as dissociation constant of weak acid. This Ka will be called as dissociation constant of weak acid. What is acetate ions concentration? C alpha, H ions C alpha by C into 1 minus alpha. This can be written as 1C cancel out, C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Now in the expression, if alpha value is very less than 1, so that you can write here 1 minus alpha can be written equal to 1. Then Ka expression we can write as C alpha square. Ka can be written as C alpha square. From here alpha can be taken how much? Root of Ka by C. Alpha can be taken root of Ka by C. Now we have कि alpha compared to 1 is negligible. Till what limit alpha can be negligible compared to 1? This expression will help you. This is valid if alpha is coming out to be equal to or less than 0.05. This expression of alpha is valid if alpha is coming out to be equal to or less than 0.05. If alpha coming more than 0.05, then for calculation of alpha accurately, we will solve quadratic equation. For alpha, then we can find accurate pH values. So anyway, for calculation of pH, we need concentration of hydrogen plus ions कितना है? C alpha. Alpha कितना पे यहाँ पर करेंगे इसका expression? तो कितना है इसका alpha putting here? तो C into root of Ka by C. So that will be the concentration of hydrogen plus ions root of Ka into C. This kind of equations are applicable in this limit only. If it is applicable, it is applicable. If it is not applicable, it is also not applicable. So be careful. आप अल्फा को पहले चेक कर लीजिए. आप अल्फा चेक कर लो पहले कितना अल्फा का वैल्यू आ रहा है. अगर आपका अल्फा का वैल्यू आ रहा है इक्वल टू और बिलो 0.05, then you can go ahead for calculation of H ions or pH calculation. But if alpha coming more than 0.05, then compared to 1, alpha may not be negligible. Be careful. So anyway, for writing the reaction of weak acids dissociation, we can write directly x moles per liter dissociating. For C moles per liter, x moles are dissociating, but it is written less common. We write more common way of writing is this one. If C is concentration, alpha is degree of dissociation, so 1 minus alpha, so C alpha is produce acetate ions or H plus ions. For the reaction of weak acids dissociation, we write expression of Ka, A for acid. आप क्या पढ़ते हो? A for apple. छोटी क्लास में यहाँ पे A क्या पढ़ेगा? A for acid. किसका? K for the reaction equilibrium, dissociation constant. Since acid is dissociating, so it is called as dissociation constant of weak acid. हो जाएगा सर? तो alpha is very very less than 1, so 1 minus alpha can be equal to 1. In such cases, then Ka expression we can write is C alpha square. आप अल्फा को चेक करेंगे इस एक्सप्रेशन से पहले कि अल्फा कितना आ रहा है आपका, ये आपका वैलिड होगा अगर अल्फा कितना आ रहा है इक्वल टू और लेस देन 0.05. फिर एच एस कितना है सी अल्फा, अल्फा भी आप पुट करें एक्सप्रेशन को तो एच एस कितना आएगा रूट के ए इंटू सी. ओके, इट इज फॉर द वीक एसिड. सो लेट अस टेक सम क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस ऑन दिस pH कैलकुलेशन ऑफ वीक एसिड्स. Suppose I take the example of a weak acid, and let's say an example 0.1 molar solution taken of CH3COOH for acid Ka value given 10 to power minus 5. Actually Ka value कितना है इस acid के लिए? Ka value is 1.8 into 10 to power minus 5. Just for concept clearance, we are taking this Ka value 10 to power minus 5 for this weak acid. आपको क्या निकालना है इस केस में? आपको निकालना है pH वैल्यू कि फॉर दिस वीक एसिड 0.1 मोलर CH3COH फाइंड द pH वैल्यू, कंसंट्रेशन 0.1, Ka वैल्यू इज गिवन. ओके, कैन यू फाइंड द आंसर योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट? निकालिए आंसर आप. नाउ इन pH कैलकुलेशन फॉर द सॉल्यूशन आई टोल्ड यू आप पहले अल्फा को चेक कर लीजिए. एसिड वीक है तो अल्फा को चेक करने पे कितना है अल्फा का वैल्यू by root Ka by C expression. Ka दिया है 10 to power minus 5, C दिया है concentration 0.1. कितना का अल्फा का वैल्यू यहाँ पर 0.01. This alpha is very less. So this alpha is very less means it is less than 0.05. So compared to 1, this alpha can be neglected in the denominator. हमने क्या बोला था लास्ट केस में कि alpha compared to 1 can be negligible. If alpha is coming out to be equal to or less than 0.05, यहाँ पे कितना अल्फा का वैल्यू आ रहा है 0.01. So meaning compared to 1 alpha can be neglected. So then this is valid. From this expression it is valid. I told you what limit it is valid, equal to or below 0.05. Then go ahead. Then for calculation of pH we need concentration of hydrogen ions कितना है C alpha. C कितना दिया है आपका 0.1 मोलर, अल्फा दिया है 0.01, will come 10 to power minus 3 मोलर. So solution of how much pH? 3. In this case solution of pH 3. Or you can take concentration of H ions will be how much? Root Ka into C. Same expression आएगा इसमें. 10 to power minus 5 into 0.1 will also give same result. 10 to power minus 3 molar. So pH will come how much from here? Same pH value. देखना आपको दोनों same value आएगा इसमें. So if alpha compared to 1 is negligible, this expression is applicable and we can find the pH of solution. Now just compare. We have taken solution 0.1 molar HCl. It has how much pH? 1. If you know this pH value. If I take solution 0.1 molar CH3COH in this example, what is pH value is coming? 3. pH 3 का meaning क्या है? The solution become less acidic for same concentration of a strong acid. A weak acid is having higher pH value. दोनों का मोलरिटी सेम है 0.1, लेकिन क्या है इसका pH कम है, इसका pH ज्यादा है. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इस solution having higher pH means that solution is less acidic in nature. This solution is less acidic in nature. pH lower means solution is more acidic. That's the difference. It is called strong acid. In a strong acid at same concentration solutions are having lower pH. Whereas this acid is called as weak acid. अब ना वीक का मीनिंग क्या होता है सर? वीक का मीनिंग होता है कि एट सेम कंसंट्रेशन ए वीक एसिड हैव हायर पीएच कंपेयर्ड टू ए स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. इफ दे आर हैविंग सेम कंसंट्रेशन दिस एसिड हैव पीएच वैल्यू हायर देन द स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. ओके, तो इन दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द एक्सप्रेशन रूट Ka by C इन द क्वेश्चन के ए वैल्यू विल बी गिवन टू यू, सी विल बी गिवन टू यू। आप अल्फा चेक कर लीजिए पहले, अल्फा का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है, एंड इफ अल्फा कंपेयर टू 1 इज नेग्लिजिबल अप टू 0.05 यू कैन गो अहेड for pH calculation as well. Okay, if I take now next example, next question. Now in solving the next part of question, आपको solution दिया है 10 to power minus 6 molar HCl molar CH3COH, के वैल्यू सेम रहेगा इसके लिए। आपको solution दिया है 10 to power minus 6 molar CH3COH, के वैल्यू सेम है, find the pH. Now you try this question yourself. हो गया इसका आंसर? देखिए in solving this question what the answer, बच्चे कैसे करते हैं कि HN concentration will be equal to root Ka into C, K दिया है 10 to power minus 5, C दिया है 10 to power minus 6 का स्क्वायर रूट 10 power minus 5.5, so solution है pH equal to 5.5 means minus log of 10 to power minus 5.5, that become how much pH 5.5. Is it correct answer? No, it is not the correct answer. आपके सर ठीक तो लिखा हुआ है K into C, सब तो आना चाहिए इसमें। प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में? I told you, आप पहले अल्फा को चेक करिए। कहाँ से अल्फा चेक करते हैं? रूट Ka by C से। K दिया है 10 to power minus 5, C दिया है 10 to power minus 6, K दिया है 10 to power minus 5 और C दिया है 10 to power minus 6, तो कितना है अल्फा का वैल्यू यहाँ पर? रूट 10. It is not possible. In this case, how much alpha is maximum possible? Alpha can be equal to 1 maximum. That too for the strong acids or strong bases. यहाँ पर क्या है? एसिड आपका वीक है, अल्फा 1 से ऊपर जा रहा है, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। सो दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट द करेक्ट वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा। अल्फा कितना होना चाहिए? आइदर इक्वल टू 1 मैक्सिमम और ऑलवेज लेस देन 1 आपका अल्फा होना चाहिए। यहाँ के अल्फा की वैल्यू आ रहा है रूट 10 आ रहा है, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो हाउ टू फाइंड द पीएच एक्यूरेट अल्फा? नाउ इक्वेशन इज क्वाड्रेटिक। क्या था हमारे पास? Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Here compared to 1, alpha in the denominator is not applicable. कितना दिया इसमें? Ka का वैल्यू 10 to power minus 5, C दिया 10 to power minus 6 alpha square by 1 minus alpha. This equation become quadratic, from where we can find the value of alpha accurately. आप निकालो कितना अल्फा का वैल्यू, आप चेक कर लेना। अल्फा is coming nearly 0.9. On solving this case, alpha coming how much? 0.9. Now then for pH calculation हमें क्या चाहिए? Concentration of hydrogen plus ions हो कितना है? C alpha. C दिया है 10 to power minus 6, अल्फा दिया है 0.9, तो कितना हुआ? 9 into 10 to power minus 7. So in this case solution of how much pH? 7 minus log 9. That is how much? 6 point log 9 is 0.95 approximately. If I take, then pH can be taken 6.05 as your answer. In this case, solution of pH 6.5 as your answer. In first case, we have how much pH? 5.5 was not the correct answer. क्यों correct answer नहीं था? आपको शायद ये क्लियर हुआ होगा इस एग्जाम्पल से, क्योंकि हमने अल्फा का वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिया था रूट 10, जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं था। सो वी गॉट द रॉन्ग आंसर। सो आई टोल्ड यू, आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, कि किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर के ए का वैल्यू पता है, सी का वैल्यू पता है, तो आप अल्फा को चेक करो पहले इस एक्सप्रेशन से। अगर इस एक्सप्रेशन से अल्फा का वैल्यू आपका आएगा इक्वल टू और बिलो 0.05, then only alpha compared to 1 can be neglected and this equation can be applied. Otherwise, if alpha is coming more than 0.05, वो आपका theoretical लेते हैं, but up to 0.09 you can neglect. आप ऑप्शन देखें क्वेश्चन में, अगर ऑप्शन बहुत पास में दिए हुए हैं तो अल्फा को आप नेगलेक्ट मत करिए इफ इट इज कमिंग मोर देन 0.05। अगर ऑप्शन में डिफरेंस है तो आप अप टू 0.1 अल्फा यू कैन लीव, बट ऑप्शन आप देख के करेंगे। ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन अगर मिलता है तो बी केयरफुल, अदरवाइज यू शुड अप्रोच दिस वे कि अल्फा का वैल्यू अगर आपका नेग्लिजिबल नहीं है तो आप इस एक्सप्रेशन को अप्लाई करेंगे, अल्फा कंपेयर टू 1 नॉट नेग्लिजिबल, इक्वेशन बिकम क्वाड्रेटिक, फाइंड अल्फा एक्यूरेटली, देन एच एन से सी अल्फा, इट इज ऑलवेज एप्लीकेबल। सी हमने निकाला, दिया है क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी, अल्फा निकाला यहां से, तो ये हुआ एच एन कंसंट्रेशन, देन पीएच, इट इज योर करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ पीएच इन दिस क्वेश्चन। ओके, तो आई होप इट इज क्लियर। Now similarly pH of weak bases, we take pH calculation of weak base or weak bases. Expression is similar. In this case you get the most common questions are given on weak base are for ammonium hydroxide. If you write solution of NH4OH, aqueous solution will give ammonium ions plus OH negative ions. So in this case if C is concentration and alpha is degree of dissociation, तो कितना आएगा अमोनियम आयन C alpha and OH negative also C alpha. And for this base we write expression of Kb. Kb can be taken as dissociation constant of weak base. Kb will be how much? C alpha square. Should I write completely? Kb can be taken concentration of ammonium ion product by reactant by concentration of NH4OH. So C alpha whole square by 1 minus alpha. We can write like in previous case of weak base acids. Again, if alpha compared to 1 is negligible, so that we can write 1 minus alpha equal to 1. So Kb can be taken equal to C alpha square or alpha equal to root Kb into C, Kb upon C. Again this expression is also applicable if alpha is coming out to be equal to or below 0.05, valid if alpha is equal to or below 0.05. If alpha compared to 1 is not negligible, you go for the previous example type calculation from quadratic equation. Then for calculation of POH, because we have basic medium, we target OH ions concentration. कितना है? C alpha. Alpha यहाँ put कितना है? On putting alpha here expression C into root Kb upon C. So concentration of OH negative ions can be written as root Kb into C. Like the previous case I told you, कि this is again valid in such conditions only when alpha compared to 1 is negligible. ये दोनों इकट्ठे एप्लीकेबल होंगे या नहीं एप्लीकेबल होंगे, ठीक है। तो सिंपल तरीका यहाँ पे भी आपका सेम है कि यहाँ तो बेस लिखा है अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, B for base we writing expression for the dissociation of the ammonium hydroxide. Alpha compared to 1 is negligible up to this range. तो आप अल्फा को चेक करेंगे from knowledge of Kb of the base and C of the base. C क्या है? concentration of the base. उसकी हेल्प से आप चेक करेंगे अल्फा का वैल्यू पहले, फिर आप देखते हैं अल्फा कितना आ रहा है, and then you can find POH first and then pH for such solution. Okay, now if I take one question on this topic, like suppose solution taken like the previous case, 0.1 molar ammonium hydroxide solution given, for the base Kb taken 10 to the power minus 5, find the pH. First part of the question. Okay, so you can solve like previous case. Can you find? You try this question yourself first. निकालिए आंसर आ गया। तो हमने पहले अल्फा को चेक करते हैं, रूट Kb अपॉन C से। Kb दिया है 10 to the power minus 5, C दिया है 0.1, 0.01. So alpha is negligible compared to 1. That means concentration of OH negative ion 0.1 into 0.01 कितना आएगा? 10 to the power minus 3 molar. सोल्यूशन बेसिक है तो हम निकालते हैं पहले POH. सो सोल्यूशन ऑफ हाउ मच POH minus log of 10 to power minus 3. So what is pH of solution? 11. Okay. Now if I write next question, 10 to power minus 6 molar solution of ammonium hydroxide, Kb is same, 10 to power minus 5. Can you find the pH? Without calculation, like the previous case. सोच लिया. अब वहां पे था Ka, यहाँ पे Kb दिया है, कंसंट्रेशन सेम है, Ka और Kb सेम है, यहाँ पर मैग्नीट्यूड में कंसंट्रेशन सेम है दोनों केस में. प्रीवियस केस में ऑफ 10 to power minus 6 molar CH3COOH, K value was given 10 to power minus 5. From that information and this information, we can find that here compared to 1, alpha is not negligible. So we can find the answer like previous case. POH will come on solving 6.05. So pH will come how much? 7.95. POH will come in this case 6.05. So 14 minus 6.05 will be pH of solution 7.95 as your answer. So I hope it is clear. The weak acid and weak bases, their pH calculation in simple cases. Let us take some more question practice on solutions involving weak acids or weak bases. So the next example is given to you for pH calculation. आपको मैं क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ उसमें. आपको सोल्यूशन दिया है 0.1 मोलर सोल्यूशन ऑफ HA. Given HA is a weak acid is 0.1% dissociated. आपको दिया है, आपको निकालना क्या इसमें? फाइंड पार्ट 1 आपको दिया है pH ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, पार्ट 2 आपको दिया है Ka ऑफ द वीक एसिड, पार्ट 3 दिया है कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ OH नेगेटिव आयंस इन सॉल्यूशन. आपको इस क्वेश्चन में 3 पार्ट्स निकालने हैं, pH, Ka एंड OH आयंस. कैसे करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को है? ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट. इन सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन आप देखिए, राइट द रिएक्शन फर्स्ट. HA is weak acid, give H plus ions plus A negative ions. If C is concentration, alpha is degree of dissociation, तो C alpha, C alpha. For calculation of pH, we need concentration of hydrogen ions. ये कितना है? C alpha. आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में C. What is H ions concentration? C alpha. C कितना दिया क्वेश्चन में? 0.1. In the question given, alpha दिया है 0.1%, meaning 0.1 by 100. So 10 to power minus 3. Alpha will be coming 10 to power minus 3. That is H ions concentration taken here is 10 to power minus 3. Okay. So what is concentration of hydrogen plus ions? Put C 0.1, alpha 10 to power minus 3. So H ions concentration come how much? 10 to power minus 4 molar. So what is pH of solution? Minus log of 10 to power minus 4 will give pH of solution equal to how much? 4. As your answer. From pH or H ions concentration for the solution, we can come on second part. Ka कितना आएगा? C alpha square. Here alpha compared to 1 is negligible. Alpha दिया है 10 to power minus 3. It is much below 0.05. So alpha compared to 1 you neglect happily. तो कितना दिया है C? 0.1. अल्फा दिया है 10 to power minus 3 का स्क्वायर. So कितना है इसमें? 10 to power minus 7. K value is coming 10 to power minus 7. Is your answer of second part. What can units? Moles per liter, because C square by C unit can remain this. Now it is second part. Now what is OH and concentration? अब कहेंगे सर OH कहाँ से आएगा? एसिड था निकालिए HN, सिंपल है. Kw is always known to you. So what is OH? It is Kw divided by concentration of hydrogen plus ions. What is concentration of hydrogen plus ions? आप ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हैं. What is Kw? 10 power minus 14 ये फिक्स है. By HN 10 to power minus 4. On solving we get the concentration of OH negative ions equal to 10 to power minus 10 molar as your answer. That the solution have concentration of OH negative ions 10 to power minus 10 molar. I hope it is clear. All the bits. So whenever question given, try to break up in small fractions कि क्या क्या दिया है, कैसे इसको arrange करना है डेटा को, and then you can get the pH of solution accurately. Okay? Okay, write next question. Write down, लिख लीजिए. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है. To what volume? Write down question. To what volume should 1 liter of 0.1 molar solution of CH3COOH, to what volume should 1 liter of 0.1 molar solution of CH3COOH be diluted so as to, first part आपको दिया है double the pH, और सेकंड पार्ट आपको दिया है डबल द OH ions concentration. Value of Ka is given to you of the weak acid CH3COOH 10 to the power minus 5. Ka you can take in question for CH3COOH 10 to the power minus 5. Try hard and solve this question yourself. Let us come on solution part. See the question. On dilution based question, solution is to be diluted to double the pH or double the OH ions concentration. On dilution what happens? Concentration decreases. On dilution concentration decrease, तो अल्फा क्या होता है रूट Ka by C. When C decrease, alpha increase. So in solving this question, we can take on dilution. We can add two part we will do. So we can write M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2 is equal to M3 V3, or and so on. We can take initial solution taken here. It is initial moles into volume. On dilution, number of moles of acid or base will remain constant. If volume increase, concentration decrease, and vice versa. But total number of moles, initial or final, will remain same on dilution. So M1 V1 is M2 V2 equal to M3 V3 point we can use. आप देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में initial moles can be taken 0.1 molarity. Volume is initial 1 liter. M2 can be taken C2 unknown है. Volume आपको निकालना है. 3 आपको unknown है. C3 मानते हैं कंसंट्रेशन. आपको निकालना क्या है? वॉल्यूम. इस पार्ट पे हम मानते हैं C3 कंसंट्रेशन है, तो वॉल्यूम चाहिए V3. इसके लिए मानते हैं आपका वॉल्यूम रिक्वायर्ड है V2, सो कंसंट्रेशन सेकंड C2 इन सेकंड पार्ट. सेकंड मींस फर्स्ट बिट. इनिशियल आपको दिया है मोलरिटी M1 है C1 0.1, वॉल्यूम इज 1 लीटर. तो आपको ये पॉइंट पे फोकस करना है कि ऑन डाइल्यूशन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स will remain same. On dilution total volume increases, so what happened to concentration? It decreases. Concentration will decrease on dilution. That point you can use in this question. अब देखिए in solving this question, let us find initial pH. will come 3. Already we have explained to you. देखिए क्या था, सिंस आप देखो ना कि अल्फा कितना आएगा आपका इनिशियल रूट के ए बाई C1, के दिया 10⁻⁵, C1 आपका दिया है 0.1, सो अल्फा आपका आएगा 0.01 मींस अल्फा इज वैलिड. सो कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H plus ions is equal to how much? C1 alpha 1, it is initial alpha 1 C1, 10⁻³ molar, so pH is 3. Solution of initial pH 3. Now to solve this first part of question, case 1, क्या दिया है? On doubling the pH, what is new pH? 6. Initial pH is 3. Initial HN's concentration आपका दिया है 10⁻³ molar. So pH is 3 initial. Now new pH is 6. So new pH means new concentration of hydrogen ions can be how much? C2 alpha 2 for CH3COH. आप देखो ना, reaction of the CH3COOH can give acetate ions plus hydrogen plus ions. If C2 is new concentration, alpha 2 is new degree of dissociation, तो C2 alpha 2 C2 alpha 2. तो new HN concentration will be how much? C2 alpha 2 will be how much? 10⁻⁶ molar. ये पॉइंट समझ में आया आपको नहीं आया कि on doubling the pH, new pH become new pH become 6. New pH means concentration of hydrogen ions new can be taken C2 alpha 2 will be 10⁻⁶ molar. Can be taken 10⁻⁶ molar from this new hydrogen ions concentration. अब यहाँ पर क्यों देखिए, on dilution alpha will increase, alpha compared to 1 may not remain negligible. देखो ना, C कम होगा alpha का बढ़ेगा, change increase होगा, तो alpha compared to 1 may not be negligible. तो if alpha is not negligible, हमारा aim क्या है? C2 निकालना. देखते हैं what is Ka expression? C2 alpha 2 whole square by C2 into 1 minus alpha 2. I can write C2 alpha 2, C2 minus C2 alpha 2. Ka आपको दिया क्वेश्चन में 10⁻⁵, आपको दिया प्रोडक्ट ऑफ C2 alpha 2 10⁻⁶ का स्क्वायर by C2 minus C2 alpha 2. कितना दिया C2 alpha 2? 10⁻⁶. तो this expression can solve for C2. From here C2 आप निकाल पाएंगे. Once C2 is known to you, बहुत सिंपल लगता है, आप C2 निकालो पहले, put C2 here, then from relation M1V1 is M2V2 formula. M1 दिया था initial molarity 0.1, volume 1 liter. C2 is the new concentration, आप निकाल चुके हैं यहाँ से, यहाँ पुट कर देंगे, आपका न्यू वॉल्यूम क्या है आप निकाल पाएंगे. सो व्हाट इज V2? 0.1 into 1 by C2. C2 is your answer of second part. आप C2 यहाँ निकाल पाएंगे. C2 you can find out here, put C2 here, then volume you can calculate. Volume come nearly about 10⁵ liter range. Are you clear? It is your questions first part. When we double the pH, on doubling pH, new pH will be pH is 6. New pH becomes 6. So concentration of hydrogen ions can be taken 10⁻⁻⁶ molar. It is how much? C2 alpha 2. On dilution, alpha increases. So compared to 1, alpha cannot be negligible. Because if alpha is neglected, answer may not be correct. So you take alpha not negligible. Accurate values. C2 निकाल पाएंगे. Once C2 is known to you, find the new volume V2. Is your first answer. Okay? That is the new volume to which solution is diluted. Now coming on second case. क्या लिखा है? Double the OH ions concentration. On doubling OH ions concentration, what happened to hydrogen ions? Become half. Because Kw remain constant. So what is new? Concentration of hydrogen plus ions I can add C3 alpha 3 will be how much? Initial OH is initial HN is how much? 10 to power minus 3 by 2 कर दीजिए इसको आप. When OH become double, HN become half to maintain the Kw constant. For water, Kw is always constant, will remain constant. So if HNs are double, or OH is double, HN become half. This can be taken how much? C3 1 minus alpha 3, C3 alpha 3, C3 alpha 3. It is C3 alpha 3. तो K सेम रहेगा 10 to the minus 5, C3 alpha 3. We can put C3 alpha 3, C3 minus C3 alpha 3. So you know the value C3 alpha 3 how much? 10 to the power minus 3 by 2 का square divided by C3 minus 10 to the power minus 3 by 2. Power up है 10 to the power minus minus 3 by 2 as a whole by 2. It is not clear. C3 alpha 3 को दिया यहाँ पे है. We can put this value here as a whole. So यहाँ पे हम क्या निकालना है? C3 value we can find out. C3 value को निकल जाएगा यहाँ से. Only C3 is unknown to you. So once C3 is unknown to us, again same expression M1 V1 is M3 V3. M1.1 V1 same 1 liter. M3 is C3. आपको निकालना है V3. So what is V3 from here? 0.1 into 1 by C3. On solving this C3 and putting C3 value here, volume you can find out. It is your second answer. Okay, that is how you can solve both the bits of this question. So you can see on dilution alpha is increasing. Alpha increase on dilution is explained by one law called as Ostwald dilution law. Called Ostwald dilution law. It is applicable for weak electrolyte, applicable for weak electrolytes. It give what? It give the effect of dilution on degree of dissociation of weak electrolytes. Degree of dissociation of the weak electrolytes. How alpha changes on dilution. How alpha changes on dilution. देखिए alpha का एक्सप्रेशन क्या था? We already explained कि for weak acids, if I write here, what is alpha expression? Root Ka by C. Alpha expression is how much? Root Ka by C. For the weak acid, alpha is equal to root Ka upon C. Once we know alpha is root Ka by C, we can take, if we dissolve 1 mole solute, in V liters of solution, then what can be taken? Concentration C कितना आएगा? Moles by volume in liter. So in the expression you can replace the term C as 1 by volume. So alpha can be taken how much? Root Ka by 1 by volume is into V. Or you can write here Ka is constant. The K value will remain constant. So you can take alpha is proportional to root of volume of solution. Volume is a dilution. That the value of alpha is directly proportional to the alpha is directly proportional to the volume of solution on dilution. कि actually what happens on dilution? On dilution, total volume of solution increases. See, we are not adding solute. आपका solute fix कर दिया हमने 1 mole. आपका solute fix कर दिया 1 mole. So on dilution, volume, total volume increases. So C decreases, alpha increase. Theoretically आपका applicable है. Or we take on dilution, total volume of solution will increase. So alpha will also increase. Remember, this equation is valid only theoretically, not mathematically. Mathematically, it is not applicable because initially when we take concentration higher, alpha compared to 1 is negligible, then it is applicable. If solutions are dilute, concentration is lower, very dilute, C is very low, alpha compared to 1 is not negligible, this equation itself is not valid. We have seen this point right now. This expression itself is not valid if solutions are very dilute. But on theoretical basis, it is always true that on dilution, alpha increases. For weak acids or weak bases or weak electrolyte, on dilution, alpha increase. That is Ostwald dilution law. It says that on dilution, the total volume of solution increases for same amount of solute. When total volume of solution increases, alpha increases on dilution. This observation is given as Ostwald dilution law. क्या है ये? इसका law कि that on dilution, alpha increase for weak electrolytes. I hope it is clear.